This is a brief overview of the Rimetrix Orbital Model 3 wheel cover for the 18-inch wheel. The wheel caps come in a bubble wrap sleeve, and each wheel cover is separated by a layer of bubble wrap. Each wheel cover is also individually wrapped in a plastic bag. They are plastic, of course, and definitely I would not put these face down on the pavement because you might scratch them. There are 5 mount points. Close up, looking at the wheel cover, it has a very thin edge, and it does a great job of covering the entire Model 3 18-inch wheel. This is a close-up of the wheel cover with the cap applied. I purchased an extra wheel from another owner, but when I got it home I accidentally dropped it on the ground and scratched the front edge, which you can see here. And using the Orbital is a great example of covering these scratches. Do not put the cap on the wheel cover before you install it. You won't get it on. Of course, you want to align the wheel cover notch with the valve stem. I try to take as many shots from all different angles, close up. It's really low profile, it doesn't really stick out very much. And you'll see on some of these upcoming images where I get really close to the wheel cover and take it from all different angles. From this angle, it's almost flush with the tire. Since the wheel is not mounted to the car, we can take a look at the back side and see the mount points of the Orbital. Use a device like this to remove the cap before you remove the cover, otherwise you won't get it off. And it comes off pretty simply with that suction device. And I apply 2 thumbs to the wheel and grab it and remove it quite easily. Here's a comparison of the Tesla wheel cover. As you can see, the metal clips on the back. More opportunity to scratch them if you put them on and take them off frequently. I like these because they're plastic mount points, minimal scratching. But with any of these things you probably should just, once they're on, leave them on. But I'm going to use mine for long range trips. Here's a little bit of a mark that appeared, but I took my thumb and just licked it and applied it to the wheel and it came right off. For the purpose of this video, I used my spare wheel and tire, which I keep in my trunk. But of course you don't need to take the wheel off the car to do this install. So thanks for watching and hope to see you on the road.